it's Sharpie again. I'm going to be doing another react video again. And this time I'm reacting to Shiitake Mushrooms video of kid temperatures which caused the hotel fire alarm in the UK. So yeah, I'm going to be reacting to it. So before I even start, I want to give a disclaimer. If you do not like the content I make, reaction videos, or any of the stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, don't watch and go through all that, because every you be doing is giving me a view, and that's the damn truth. And that's the damn truth, everyone. So no hating whatsoever. You don't like them, just go somewhere else. And don't watch. So no, without further ado, let's get to the video right now. On to the video.
Alright, well it's another day. And we're checking out of our first hotel to go to our second hotel out of 7. So we're going to be doing this a lot. Alright. We got everything, London? We got everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye, hotel room. Bye.
London, say bye-bye.
Yeah. The health shooters are going to help
Oh, Shiitake Mushrooms.
Don't!
Who's that on YouTube? Boom, 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 oh Lord.
Alright, well we're getting loaded up. And we're leaving London. You guys say bye, London?
No, I don't want to leave.
Before I let you guys know why I'm rubbing my hands, because it's already starting to get colder where I'm at, and it is freezing a bit. It's already having snow in my area already, and it's freezing cold a bit there. So yeah, I'm sorry for no more distractions. Let's get to the video. Back to the video.
London?
No, not that London. We're leaving the city, London.
Okay.
We're not leaving that London. Alright, so today we are heading to the south end. Alright.
Or not London once.
Uh-oh, look what I found, you guys. Look out the window. Other side.
But then he just kept it for himself. McDonald's!
McDonald's.
The second McDonald's I've seen.
Alright, so we are approaching Bargain. That's where Daddy was from.
I don't care.
So, yeah, this area here is where I was born and raised.
No one cares where you were born. You were born 39 years ago. No one cares.
Yeah,
Feeling.
39 years ago in Bargain, in this particular area here.
You always act like a newborn. You cry.
Family history.
I don't care.
Come on, guys.
Wow, but this.
Oh, maybe you guys will care of the viewers. This is where I was from, Balkan. So if any of you guys are from Balkan, go ahead and comment down below. And we're east,
And I lived
east side London, the Cockneys. Yeah. Thumbs up to the Cockneys. Alright, so we're walking the streets of Canvey Island and trying to find a pie and mash. I haven't had pie and mash in years. So we gotta find a place.
Yeah, I wanna find my pie mash.
Alright, so we're walking around town. We're trying to find ourselves a pie and mash store. And long and behold, we found it. Pie and mash. We found it, Leland.
I'm dying.
Okay.
Alright, we found it. Pie and mash. Here we go. Alright, Leland, so are you gonna try pie and mash? You don't want to try pie and mash? Oh, it's good though. Alright, well, I'm gonna have some pie and mash. Too bad Leanne, Grandma, and Grandpa couldn't join us. They decided to go to Basildon because apparently they preferred that pie and mash, but we just wanted to stay local here. So, plus we were really hungry. So, we found a place. Alright, well, Leland got fish and chips again. Leland likes his fish and
You
chips.
got some fish and chips.
And then this is London's right here. Sausage, bean, chips. They're enormous fries. Yeah, I got little fries. Otherwise, I'm gonna confuse you guys. Alright, fine. That's good. Oh, lovely. There it is.
Oh, damn.
You have a smiley face.
Yeah, this is my pie and mash, smiling right at me.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Try my pie and mash.
Oh, that must have been good.
And hot.
We spider good.
Alright, so we
Be that away.
booked into a new hotel. And we got my parents. We've met my parents out here.
Oh, Leland, what the heck?
So yeah, good luck with that. Hey guys, you found a mailbox. Are there any fan mail? Oh, letterbox. Is there any fan mail? No, that's where you send the mail. That's where you send the mail. So for any of you fans here in the UK, if you guys want to send us fan mail, go to one of those letter boxes and drop us off a mail. Then we'll get it in Salt Lake. Alright, so we are
Man, so windy.
of KPI. Once we get to the top of the hill here, you should be able to see the ocean here. Alright, don't get too close to the edge, you guys. Leanne, is the water code? You got more down there. Go on that bottom. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Is it cold? Yeah. You ready? What? A bottle? Is there a message in the bottle? Yeah, we might have to save them. Let's go get some ice cream. Alright, well, we're gonna grab some ice cream right now. I got tired of waiting for Leland to put his socks on. He's trying to put socks on. His feet are soaking wet. You know how hard it is to put socks on when your feet are wet?
Sorry for notification.
So this could take a while. So there he is.
I'm sorry for the notification, guys. They just popped out of nowhere.
Still trying to put that sock on.
Never
Come
notification.
on, Leland! Alright, so we're still waiting on Leland to put his sock on. There he is.
Pretty good.
Alright, let's go. Everyone's waiting on you. Everyone's waiting on kid temperature. Alright, guys, so we're grabbing some milkshakes. So Leland got chocolate. Socks are still wet. London got strawberry. Leanna got mint, right?
No, I got bubble gum.
Oh.
Okay. That was yummy.
And you got nothing.
And what did the grandparents get?
Ice cream.
And he got ice cream. Okay. Alright, so we're just hanging out here at the local pub. And we got Carol.
What the fuck?
We got Leland. We got Leanna. We have London. We got my dad right there. And then my mom right there. Alright, so Leland's drinking his first drink in a pub.
It's cold.
Good thing it's not.
Wait.
Since they're not 21 yet. Alright, so Leland's eating all fish and chips. Looks pretty good.
The day when Leland turns 21, it'll be a long time now.
That's what I've had.
Like a couple years.
So we got to visit Bill off camera, and he's doing really well, and he's getting married tomorrow, so we're looking forward to that. That's gonna be a fun wedding.
Benny Lil will be turning 21 probably like around 2000.
What is London doing?
29, I believe. And sorry, another dad.
You've only been to one wedding? Yeah. Did that marriage fail? End up failing? Or you went to one wedding? Oh, I was thinking of your mom's wedding.
Oh, yeah, that one did turn out so well. But Heather and Dennis
Heather and Dan, they're still married. So, okay, Leland, you'll put 1 and 1. 50%. So, if Kip Tantrum comes to your wedding, you have a 50% chance of your marriage failing.
Yeah.
like everyone else.
Yeah, which pretty much puts you up there with everybody else. Alright, well, we're just getting out of the pub right now, and I'll show you how close we are to the hotel. So behind me is the pub, and we turn the camera this way. Like right there.
Ah.
That's our hotel. So really,
Right
really
next-
close. Just
right next to
on the
the
other
pub.
side of this parking lot. So it's really handy. It's one of the things I like about, I love about England, love about Europe, is that everything is walking distance. Like you don't even have to have a car here. You can just walk everywhere.
Yeah.
And for someone like me, I can use all the walking I can get. Alright, now Leon's going to show you the hotel room.
Yeah, and I'm gonna poke you with
Yeah.
the key.
There's my bed in the bedroom.
So this is where
And London's bed.
your shoes.
This is not even your room, Leland.
I don't give a crap. Where you go and take night nights. Or this is. Yeah, I'm guessing this is how they get their fish.
Alright, well today is the day of the wedding. And whoa,
That's right.
they're like trying to jump up and bite me. Yeah, today is Bill's wedding. And we're just grabbing some breakfast here at the restaurant. See, Carol's just in here. Big day today, huh, Carol?
What we came here for. It is yours.
Alright, so are you guys ready for Bill's wedding today?
Yeah. Hey, this is kind of like a telescope.
Oh, well.
Oh, it's still on me. What's this?
What is... No, okay, that... Don't touch that.
What's that?
That's the file. Just like
Oh,
the other.
it's just-
No. In fact, you should... We sit where London sit.
No.
No, I mean it. You do not touch it.
Leland? No, no. Don't do. Oh, good Lord.
Leland,
He's doing.
we're not going to do this again. Last hotel. No. No. Tell him not to mess with that. It's-
I just give up. It's just like a fire alarm day at this point.
No, we can't have that. Do that again. Oh, we can't do that again. You guys remember in our hotel before the house how you messed with the fire alarm?
Is this yours? Is this yours?
Yeah. Hey, no, come on.
He's drinking it.
Give me back my coat.
Put it back in there. Not done.
Alright, well, we're just getting out
No.
of breakfast and
No, what?
we got a few more hours to kill before the wedding.
What the?
What was that?
Oh,
What'd
no.
you do now?
Leland! What did you do?
Every time I go to the hotel, there's... What was that? Did you pull the fire alarm again? I swear, every time we come to a hotel, Leland messes with the alarm. You did something.
What
didn't
was
you?
that?
That was you. Were you messing with the alarm system again?
Let me in.
Okay, you guys remember the last time you did that at the hotel?
Mm.
Don't touch the alarms.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Remember, never pull a fire alarm.
Yeah, it's bad. Never do it. Yeah, right, London? Oh, you seen the TV?
Alright, so what's gonna happen next during our European tour video? Find out.
On our Shiitake Mushrooms.
So hit that subscribe button, notifications, all that fun stuff to find out what happens next.
Yeah.
Alright, well anyway.
Yeah, bye.
Yep.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I leave lots of videos and subscribe to And subscribe to the Anna's Cute Videos.
Which is now called the Anna's World
And
now.
subscribe to if you guys want to see me do Fortnite once we get back from our trip. Make sure to check out Shiitake Mushroom Gaming. And if you want to see Daddy have pink hair, make sure to subscribe on it.
What?
Get us to 100,000 subscribers on the gaming channel.
Oh, yeah. We're dye my hair pink.
Hi.
Alright, so we'll see you guys next time.
Bye. Can you say bye-bye?
And remember,
Bye-bye.
these videos are skits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
USA
Okay,
AAC
sorry,
pilot discount up to 30% off
towards
for
the end of
drivers
the towards
only
the end of
for
the
the military
video.
community.
So yeah, that's the end of the react video, and I hope you guys like this react video, and I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells on every time I upload, and share my videos and react videos to your friends and everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to Shiitake Mushrooms if you're new. Subscribe to their channel if you're new. Subscribe to their channel if you're new. Subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to their gaming channel and their stream channel. And the Unicorn channel. And don't forget to subscribe to those awesome videos, the Anna's World, and IC London. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video, the end of this react video. And also, I'll be doing some more banger react videos to come to the end. And I'll see you all for more to come. And I'll see you all in the next time. Peace out, everyone.